Hey all, welcome back to JobsIndeed YouTube channel. Do subscribe for latest job updates. The other opening is from Biomed Ingredients. So let's see the details. So here they are having for the work location of Goa. So they have opening for different positions like product executive with B pharmacy and so QC executive, minimum 2 to 3 years of work experience. QC trainee, so B pharmacy with BSc, MS or MSc. So with 0 to 1 year of work experience in phytochemistry or analytical chemistry. So QA trainee, so B pharmacy or BSc or MSc, 0 to 1 year of work experience in any domain. Production trainee officers, so freshers who want to work in herbal ingredients and formulations for manufacturing can apply, and also receptionist for manufacturing industry. So if you are interested and if you are willing to relocate to Goa, you can apply for the above mentioned profiles if they are relevant to you, and can contact with mail ID or through number mentioned here. In Flowbiz, we have opening for the data entry associate. Work location is Bangalore. Hiring for the freshers as well as less than 2 years of work experience. They have given about the company and later on about the job description. So here you will be working as a data entry operator, where you need to enter all the data in the systems or the software with accurate and up to date, and also need to upload the files or data as per the requirement. If required, you need to interact with the customers and with their business needs of understanding, and also upload the data in the system. So looking for communication skills and interpersonal skills as well. So let's see the details. So hiring for the freshers as well as the experienced people, and the requirement of the knowledge about the MS Office like Excel and Word, internet, email like mailing skills, and also with the knowledge of Windows, excellent typing skills like good Excel skills, especially understanding of the Excel formulas like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, COUNTIFs, concat, etc. and all, like about mostly about the Excel formulas, and written and verbal communication skills, able to read and write English. From the same company, Flowbiz. Hiring for the software tester engineer intern. Work location is Bangalore. Looking completely for the freshers as it's a internship. So where the responsibilities are like reviewing and understanding of the new feature development, and also identifying the UX, UI and functional flags about the products in order to provide the better customer experience. You need to working in designing, implementing and executing of the test cases for new as well as for the existing, and also communicating with the technical concepts or issues, and documenting the test cases, like identifying the percent of test case suits coverage and aiming it to cover up to 100%, like working on the production issues and causes of the issues, and reporting to the developer or the product teams. Like you'll be working as a testing intern. So who are looking for the testing jobs, so it's a right opportunity where you can explore. And the requirement is the undergraduate, like pursuing a degree in computer science or any technical fields can apply, and also knowledge in any programming language like Java, C, C++ or any scripting languages like JavaScript, and also understanding of the SQL with basic knowledge is enough, and also knowing like how to debug the bugs on browsers like using the Chrome developer, and also communication skills in English and Hindi can apply. In Saint, we have opening for the trainee apprentice. Work location is Hyderabad. They have given about the company profile in brief, and later on about the job description, and the qualification is engineering diploma or Btech, BE, BSc, MSc graduates from the academic year of 2020, 2019 and 2018 with no work experience can apply, and also with any arts or science background degree with good communication skills can also apply. So here they'll be trained on domains like oil and gas data, accident reports, chemicals, automotive, and also with the tools and applications regarding the customer proprietary tools. And let's see the roles and responsibilities. So here you'll be working with a common entry point that leads to the development of the customers inventories along with the data analysis and operations, and also maintaining and monitoring of the accuracy of weekly data, their history, network changes based on the different factors like customer service, performance goals and all. So kindly go through the complete job description before you apply, and you'll be gaining the quality control and also distribution of the data related activities developing the process and also providing the support, and you'll be under the on the job training so before your work starts. So once on the job training is completed, you'll be working on the project. So here the compensation will be like, as it is a trainee apprentice, you'll be having 1.75 per annum, and for 6 months you'll be getting 13,000 per month, and other next 6 months you'll be getting 14,000 per month, and the bonus of 6,500 after first 6 months completion, and after first 6 months, the next 6 months you'll be getting other 6,500 rupees for other 12 months completion. Based on your performance during the 12 months, you'll be treated as a permanent employee for the organization. So here you'll be gaining the experience as said in the job description based on the domain, tools, applications, and also with the multiple projects. Here they'll be having 3 shifts. So first shift 6 a.m. to 3 p.m, second shift 3 p.m. to 12 a.m, and general shift is like morning 9 a.m. to evening 6:30 p.m. So working days also cleared, so Monday to Friday working days, and occasionally based on your project demand you need to work on weekends also. So you'll be on the job training, so initially for 4 to 8 weeks in the office premises itself. Based on that, so based on the pandemic scenarios and all, you'll be working at the office or at the home. It depends upon the organization procedures and all. It depends. Okay, and the documents required are the educational qualification photocopy like from SSC to your highest degree, and also related memos and consolidated marks sheet and all, provisional certificates, your Aadhaar card and PAN card details. Skills experience required are they are hiring for the freshers completely with no prior experience, and skills like data interpretation, data research and communication skills. So do apply if it is relevant to you and if you are interested. Hope this video is useful for you, and kindly do like, share, comment and subscribe for more and more job updates. Thank you for watching. The link is provided in the description.